All right, so if you want to block a number on your Motorola phone, there's a couple of easy ways to do that. One way would be to go to the phone app, and if you have a number in your recent calls that you want to block, you can just long press that number and tap Block or Report. Here, you can block the number, and you can also report the call as a scam, spam, or both. So check the boxes accordingly, or just leave them empty, and then tap Block. I'm not going to block this one because, that's my buddy Ryan. Another way to do this would be to manually enter the number you want to block. So what I could do is tap those 3 lines here and go to Phone App Settings, and here we have a menu for blocked numbers. I just tap Add a Number and manually type in the phone number I want to block. There's also a little toggle here to block calls from unidentified callers. This will block calls when the caller has their number hidden or set to private, but it will not block incoming calls from, say, your dentist or some other place where you simply just don't recognize the phone number they're calling from. And then, to unblock someone, I can just come to that same Blocked Numbers menu and tap that little X button next to the number to unblock them. Anyways, that's how you block numbers on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, see you in the next one.